And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Waltz choreography with teaching count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start with preparation movement. We continue with first 3 steps of natural turn, and then into corner Fallaway Whisk. Notice man looks at lady in whisk. We continue with wing. From wing position we dance Fallaway reverse slip pivot. Then double reverse spin with lady's heel turn. Continued with open telemark, again lady's heel turn and natural Fallaway turn. And notice the man looks at lady here. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. So we take close hold and start with preparation movement. And we dance diagonally to wall with first 3 steps of natural turn, then into corner with Fallaway Whisk, diagonally to center with wing, in same direction Fallaway reverse slip pivot, then down line of dance with double reverse spin, open telemark, we finish diagonally to wall, dance natural Fallaway turn diagonally to wall and diagonally to center, and we finish diagonally to wall. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.